Hey guys, Andre the Farmer here. I'm here with my good friend Carl. Carl is a professional world-class chef. He's been a chef for all kinds of famous people, too many people to name, but he's created this product and he gave me a prototype of this that was like months ago. You gave me some to sample and it is one of the best condiments or sauces that I've ever tried. And I just want Carl to tell you guys about this product here.
Well, this is a sauce I created in 2006. It's my El Camino handcrafted green sauce. So many people since 2006 up until our present time, 2023, started saying to me, Carl, you have to bottle this, you have to bottle this. Finally, my mother-in-law impressed me about it, Renee, and I said, you know what? All right, I'm gonna bottle it. So here I bottled this sauce. I'm now presenting it to everyone and getting it to everyone nationwide, especially here in Florida. And this is how this sauce came to be.
What makes it special? I know you don't use a lot of
What makes
chemicals.
this sauce special is I refuse to use any preservatives. It's a fresh sauce, fantastic product, has cilantro, garlic, jalapenos. You have a mild version, a spicy version. What makes this so special
Which one is this?
You can't get a sauce with this type of flavor. This is chef inspired, chef created, and here I am getting it.
I'll tell you what, this is such a unique flavor. Like, I've never tasted anything this doesn't remind me of anything. I've never tasted anything like it.
It goes great on chicken. It goes great on steak. It goes great on chips. You can put it on lettuce and tomato.
Yep.
You can put it on rice and beans. And I mean, whatever you put on it, it enhances.
I almost feel like I'm wasting it on chips, because I feel like this really should get like premium steak.
Well,
that's what it should be getting.
And thank you so much. I appreciate that. It's never a waste because I'm always happy to make as much as you need.
And how can someone find you? How can they get this?
Well, what you would want to do is you can email me. You can first find us on Instagram at El Camino Handcrafted Green Sauce. And you can email us at El Camino Handcrafted Green Sauce at proton.me.
I'm going to put that in the captions down there so you guys can see it.
Okay.
But check it out, man. I am not lying to you when I tell you this is amazing. I have no shares in this company. All I've gotten is 2 bottles and a shirt. So I'm telling you, it's good stuff. All right, check it out. See you guys. Bye.